बाबा कालचे जे इलेक्शन CCPचे रिजल्ट्स पळयत जाल्यार एके सायडीच्यान बाबुशाचे पॅनल आनी दुसरे सायडीच्यान उत्पल जो इंडिपेंडेंट सपोर्टेड बाय ऑल अदर पार्टीज पॅनल वॉज देयर बट द रिजल्ट हॅज शोन वॉट इज युअर से ऑन दॅट
See, it is very easy for people like us to analyze now after the results are this. But I was thinking this before. You know, you cannot have a Utpal Parrikar and expect Congress people to vote for you. Same way like Suren Furtad is considered congressman. I don't think any Kattar BJP person is going to vote for Suren Furtad or his people. Now Babush is like, see, Utpal is totally BJP. Even on the eve of the election, he said, I am BJP. He is like BJP ideology. After the ideology, BJP does. So you cannot have that ideology and this other mixture together. Babushaचे कितें Babush becomes BJP light म्हणटा diet coke आसता. So he becomes that BJP, आपण BJP म्हणटा, but he's got lot of Congress people with him. And he is a lighter version. He is like a different lighter version of BJP. Parrikar, Utpal Parrikar becomes Kattar BJP. So I never thought that the BJP Parrikar's people will vote for the candidates put up by the Congress candidate. I never thought that these people will vote for a Congress candidate. And I don't believe that Congress people are going to vote for Utpal Parrikar's candidate. So I think it was a miscalculation. See, it's very simple. There is a fight in Goa between BJP and the rest. So you cannot have somebody like a Parrikar come into that. Otherwise, Parrikar has to say, I am with Congress ideology. See, all these AAP and other parties, we have got one ideology. Parrikar and BJP have got a different ideology, which Parrikar never denied. Utpal never denied that his ideology is different from the BJP. So I never thought that this would take off anyway. But आमचे कोण आयकतात? I am not in Congress. Nobody consults us. So there is a nice youth gang, operating the Congress, which is very nice. But I think they should have thought about this. I never thought that this Utpal with these people will click. We need a tie-up, like we say, unity tie. But you cannot have unity with ideologically different people. You cannot have you can have a tie-up with AAP, any other party, but you cannot have ideologically different like BJP and Congress or BJP and AAP. It can never happen. People are not fools, no? Because see, what would happen? How are you going to tell the people? आम्ही जिंकले आपण किती कोणाचे म्हणून हे जातले ग्रुप Parrikaracho, that is BJP. So what is the choice for a Congress voter in Panjim? Parrikara घालपाचो vote. What is the choice for BJP people? Surendra Kalpado. So in that, Babush is an automatic choice, an automatic magnet. Like I said, he is like a diet coke, BJP light. So people go. So if you compare Babush and Utpal Parrikar, it's like comparing Amit Shah and Modi. So who do you vote for in this combination? So I think people were not fooled with that. Unity or this unity.
So what is the analysis of this results ahead of assembly election?
Analysis, you cannot get BJP people just because they are strong BJP people and tell the Congress people to vote for them. You have to tie up with like-minded people. I always said like Vijay, Ariti and all, it is a need of the hour. People will tell you that we need a unity, but unity of like-minded people. You cannot get BJP people with BJP ideology. People have contested on BJP before and say, आता एका vote झाला म्हणून. His ideology is already BJP, communal, all that type of ideology. I don't think people are going to fall for that.
So coming ahead of assembly elections, you feel that all should be united with like-minded people?
Like-minded people. You cannot get a Utpal Parrikar and say, no, we are joining with him. Please vote for us. That will never work. You cannot get somebody from the BJP, a leader from the BJP and say he's come to us now. I don't think people are going to vote for that type of thing.